We compare numbers every day, be it marks, prizes, or distances. Mathematics gives us precise rules for how comparisons work. These rules are called laws of order in real numbers. Between any two real numbers A and B, one can be greater than the other or they can be equal. This relational property determines the order of real numbers. For example, if A is greater than B, then the point represented by A on the number line lies on the right side of the point representing B. By comparing different numbers in this way, we can arrange all real numbers in a specific order. There are some axioms which determine the order of real numbers. Let us have a look at them. First one is law of trichotomy. For any two real numbers A and B, exactly one of these is true. Either A is greater than B, or it is smaller than B, or A is equal to B. For example, if we take 3 and 7, 3 is less than 7. If we take 22 and 6, 22 is greater than 6. If we take two real numbers 5 and 5, 5 is equal to 5. Then we have law of transitivity. If A is less than B and B is less than C, where A, B and C are real numbers, then automatically A is less than C. This is called transitivity. Let us take one example. 2 is less than 5, 5 is less than 9. This implies 2 is less than 9. Let us visualize it on the number line. Since 2 is less than 5, it will lie on the left side of 5. 5 is less than 9, it will lie on the left side of 9 on the number line. Now here 2 lies on the left side of 9. This implies 2 is less than 9. Next we have the third axiom. It says if A is less than B and C is greater than 0, that is C is a positive real number, then AC is less than BC. Let us take one example. 2 is less than 5. If we multiply both sides by 3, 3 is greater than 0. It is a positive number. 2 into 3 is 6. 5 into 3 is 15. 6 is less than 15. Next, axiom 4 says, if A is less than B, then A plus C is less than B plus C. Here A, B and C are real numbers. 4, which is less than 7. If we add a number 2 to both the sides, 4 plus 2 is 6, 7 plus 2 is 9. 6 is less than 9. Lastly, axiom 5 says, if A is greater than 0 and B is greater than 0, A and B are both real numbers, then AB is greater than 0. It says if two real numbers are greater than 0, then their product is also greater than 0. 3 is greater than 0, 5 is greater than 0, their product 15 is greater than 0. Let us now use these axioms to prove some theorems. Theorem 1 says if A is greater than B and C is greater than D, where A, B, C, D are real numbers, then A plus C is greater than B plus D. Let us look over here. It is given that A is greater than B. Then by axiom 4, if we add C to both the sides, A plus C is greater than B plus C. Let us call this equation 1. Then it is given that C is greater than D. Now let us add B to both the sides. So by axiom 4, we have B plus C is greater than B plus D. Let us call this equation 2. From 1 and 2, we get A plus C is greater than B plus C, which is greater than B plus D. So we see that A plus C is greater than B plus D by law of transitivity. And that is what we needed to prove. The next theorem is if A is less than B and C is less than 0, that is, it is a negative real number, then AC is greater than BC. Okay. First of all, it is given that C is less than 0. Now, if we multiply both the sides by minus 1, we get minus C is greater than 0. So, let's just consider C to be negative 4. Now, we know that it is less than 0. If we multiply both the sides by a negative number, let us say we are multiplying both the sides by minus 1. So, minus 1 into minus 4 is 4. 0 into minus 1 is 0. Now here 4 is greater than 0. So what is actually happening here is when we multiply by a negative number, it causes the inequality sign to flip. Greater than becomes less than and less than becomes greater than. That is what we did over here. Next, it is given that A is less than B. So can we write it like this? 0 plus A, it is less than B, right? Now, if we transpose A to the other side, we get 0 is less than B minus A. Or we can say that B minus A is greater than 0. So we have two things over here. B minus A is greater than 0 and negative C is greater than 0. So by axiom 5, if we have two numbers which are greater than 0, the product is also greater than 0. Now let us open these brackets. B into minus C is minus BC. Minus A into minus C is plus AC. So minus BC plus AC is greater than 0. Now let us transpose negative BC on the right hand side. So it will become positive. So we have AC is greater than BC. And that is what we needed to prove.